Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this Friday. I am super excited about these releases. I tried to reel it in a little bit. We do have 4 collections. 1 is an Ultimate exclusive and 2 are mini kit exclusives. We have 2 foil releases. We have some cool new bows to show you and then also some Wiggle It Wednesdays for this week. So let's go ahead and look at the Wiggle It Wednesdays because these will be going up on Wednesday at noon Eastern and these are limited stock. We have been able to stock a lot of them, so I'm really excited about that. But these gold and silver ones usually do go the fastest. I will probably be taking off a week for Wiggle It Wednesday next week, just because we are going to be shipping the mystery kits probably this weekend or Monday. So really excited about that as well. There will be a reveal video probably sometime early next week. So super excited to get that out early. We would have gotten it out a little bit earlier, but we were just waiting on some things. So this is the Wiggle It Wednesday and I'm really excited because we are going to be kind of reformulating the Wiggle It Wednesday and I'm really excited to show you guys. But these are awesome sheets for $2. You get so many stickers. You get some icons on the top, then some photo corner overlays, some bows, and then also some really pretty scripts. Let me see if it'll focus. Pretty scripts. So this one is a gold sparkle, which is really pretty. And then this one is kind of, I don't really know what to call this one because it's kind of like a silver, hollow, disco-y, like strobe-y. Maybe I'll call it silver strobe because I think that kind of like makes sense. So super pretty, definitely has a very hollow vibe, and this one has a gold glitter vibe. So those will be available again at on Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then let's kind of switch it up. Let's go into the foil. No, let's go into these releases first. So I am releasing 2 more of these bows. These are really cool because these actually have glitter on them. How cool is that? I have went ahead and put these through the dishwasher and the glitter doesn't come off. At least I ran it through about 5 times and they haven't come off, but these have the clear outline and this is a like red-orange color, which is really cool for fall and moving into the holiday season. So I love this one. So again, it is like a red-orange and it has a silver glitter. Then this one is a gold, which is so pretty. I love this one. So again, it does have, let me get this up. I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow, but I know you guys wanted me to get this video like early in the morning, so we're going bare nails here. So this is again another one with the clear outline and the glitter on there. So cute. So this is our gold bow, which is just so dang cute, and I love the glitter. Again, these are super versatile. You can put them on soil bottles, you can put them on your computer, you can put them on your phone. I have one on my phone. Emily even put one on her like Contigo water bottle, the one that's like a little bit more like not textured, but it feels a little bit more rubbery that the metal bows don't stick to, and it sticks to that. They're just amazing. Then if we move on to the foil releases, there's 2 foil releases next week. I'm really considering doing possibly maybe 3 releases next week, but I'm not 100% sure. But I do have this one, which does have some baby milestones on it, which are so cute. So you have she's here, he's here, they're here. Home from the hospital, first bath, first smile, first laugh, roll over, first tooth, first crawl, first haircut, first steps, first word, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months, first birthday, cuddle time, family time, bath time, reading time, play time, and then I had extra room, so I put an extra bath time and an extra cuddle time. I probably will eventually do the 1 through 11 months and then do a 1 year for like countdowns because I really like this. I actually used it this week for my Disney countdown and I put a little Disney castle next to it. I really like that, but these are baby milestones, so super cute. So they will be coming in all 3 foil colors. These are like the same size sheets as our holiday sheets. And then we also do have some sprinkle glitter header overlays, and these are a sprinkle. Which, how cute are these? I've been so excited to release these. I think these are great for birthday weeks and things like that, but I also think they're kind of neutral enough to kind of go on any week. So I'm really excited to pop these in my spread. So again, you do have them in silver, gold, and rose gold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 28. I don't know why I had to math that, but 28 on each sheet, and I'm really excited about these. You guys have been highly requesting them, and I am so ready. I have a lot of really cool, unique designs coming in the future of header overlays. Now let's go ahead and get into the kits. Last weekend was such a big release. We had to do a lot of restocks, so I'm trying to keep it a little bit lighter this week. I did have a couple of other kits planned, like another exclusive kit, which this is an exclusive kit here as far as exclusive art, but I went ahead and pushed those. I think there's 1 or 2 for next week because it was just a little bit busy. So this one has been actually done for a while, and we just have been moving it and moving it and moving it, but I am so excited to finally be releasing it. This is custom exclusive art, and this is called Elf. Elf is actually my favorite movie, my favorite Christmas movie, and I always wanted a kit with like elf inspired art, and I'm so excited that we're finally able to do one. This one does have like not the newest freebie, but the one that's like the last one. So it does have the scribblers on top and the munchkins on the bottom in the colors of the kit. And then you have these gorgeous full boxes with the characters from the movie as well as different elements and kind of homage to the kit or to the movie. Then in the background of the her checklist, I don't know if you're able to see it, but there is a like glitter stroke with the New York City background, which is so cool. And I love these very primary colors. It's going to make for a really unique and awesome Christmas kit. And then you have your functional page, your half boxes, and then you have a hand-lettered quote box that says "You Cotton Heady Ninny Muggins," and then the payday flag there with all of your icons. And again, I love these colors. You have the little things, the headers. You have the deck over here, which everything is so cute. I love it so much. Buddy the Elf, he's so cool. So that is that one, and then you do have the bottom washi, and then I even did something different with the date covers just because I thought it was like a little bit more of like a white kind of like background. I didn't think that just doing the stroke kind of did the pattern justice. And then you have the snowflakes, which just looks so cool with any color by itself or any color like primary and silver maybe, or primary and gold. I think either way would be really pretty. Washi. I think I don't even know what my favorite part is because I do love this quote. It's such a tongue twister. "You cotton-headed ninny muggins." So excited about it. It's so cute, and the M&Ms and the pasta spaghetti with maple syrup. It's so good. I've actually never had pasta with maple syrup, but I feel like I should because I love this movie so much. I honestly just love Will Ferrell. Let's be real here. Step Brothers is like one of my favorite movies. Then this also does come with the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which how cool are these colors? And then also there is an option if you want to add on the bows, which are available Friday through Sunday only. Then we'll get on to the mini kit exclusives. So there is this mini kit exclusive right here. I actually forgot to update the name on this, so it does just say question mark on it, which just seems like something I'm doing this time of year. So busy. But this is called Sugar Plum, and it is so pretty. I loved this art. I thought it was really, really cute, and I love the dog, and I'm just so excited about all of the really pretty pinks and maroons in this kit. I just think it's so fun. This is a mini kit exclusive, so you do have the mini kit page here. The functional page, I did do the little strokes in the rose gold, and then you have the deco, which is so pretty. I love these little banners and the girl, and then again the really special like rose gold in there. I feel like this is a very Emily kit. She loves rose gold. And then you have the bottom mochi, which how pretty is that floral, the extra full box here, and then the date covers, which are just so dang beautiful. And I don't know if I mentioned the newer freebie. So that is the Sugar Plums kit, or question mark if you are tired, Andrea. I think I finished this on the plane on Friday actually. And then there's this one here. These colors actually remind me, take a guess for a second. Do you know what colors these remind me of? It reminds me of Vintage Floral, which I think is a very OG kit. And then there are 2 options for Fashion Girl add-on and then also baby add-ons. I had to. Normally we don't do fashion add-ons with the mini kit exclusives, but I just thought this girl was so pretty. And then also these kids, like, I mean, you just... they're just so cute. You just want to squeeze their little feet. I did do 3 different skin tones. They don't have hair colors, and I went with a gray jumper because I feel like that was like gender neutral. I mean, boys wear pink, Bennett does all the time, and girls wear blue, obviously. But there's that, and then it does say baby's first Christmas, which it won't be Bennett's first Christmas. He was a potato for his first Christmas, but you know. Still exciting nonetheless. I know Kirsten said she's going to be saving that kit for next year when her baby is having his first Christmas or her first Christmas. So there is this one. I actually think it's a girl, if anybody wanted to know. That's what the Chinese gender predictor says. So This is the Modern Christmas kit, and this is so pretty. And again, another mini kit exclusive. This one's really cool because it is very grayscale, and I really like it. Also with the like black and white check plaid with the greens. It's just a really cool kit. You have some different girls in here with different skin tones, and then they're just in these really comfy like sweatpants outfits, which just give me all kinds of vibes. The freebie is again the newer freebie. I just love these. I think this is so cool. So simple, but so like chic, you know? So this is the mini kit page, and then you have the functional page, which again, I really love these colors. And then you have the deco page, and then all the other items over here, squared off boxes and such. And then I really love this bottom washi. Again, I think it's really simplistic, but it's really, really cool with your extra full box that can be cut down to washi strips if you would like. And then you do have the really cool date covers. It's probably one of my favorite bottom washis. I think it's really, really cool. So really like this. Again, I think this would be really cool with some washi, black or white, or even like if you had a dark green, that'd be really cool. There's also the option if you do want to add on the glitter sampler, of course. And last but not least, I do have a kit that actually the art just came out on Monday, and I saw it and I was like, yes, please, all the things. So I decided to do this as a ultimate and mini because I thought this kit was so dang gorgeous. It needed the spotlight. So we had a little bit of room in production, so I figured we'd go for it. So we do have the newer freebie here with the SPC new releases and the munchkin on the bottom. And then look at these full boxes. I die. This is called Pink Miss, and it's a very pink, of course, kit. I just love the colors in the kit. I love the girl. She's so pretty. I love the house. I love the scenes. I love the silver. I'm like super into this. Honestly, like I didn't want to like stray from like exclusive kits for my personal schedule, but this one is just really giving me like some like heavy, beautiful vibes. Then I did the little store here. I think this would be great for like if you did a transparent full box, the payday. I love these icons with the pink stroke. They're so pretty. Your little things, your washi, which I love this one with the bows. And then look how pretty. And then you have all the silver accents over here. And then last but definitely not least, you do have the floral bottom washi, which I just feel like florals are really pretty for the bottom washi, and they're just so nice. And I do love the marble and all of the sparkles. I feel like the ultimate stack just feels so thick, hefty, and like perfect. Then there's also an option if you want to do this one in a mini kit. And again, I feel like this one's going to be super popular. I still do have a couple more Christmas kits planned, but this one's definitely one of my top favorites. Then you have the freebie, and then here is the full boxes, the mini kit page, the functional page, the deco page, and then the bottom washi page. And that is the mini kit. And the mini kits, we do unlimited stock on all new releases for the first 3 hours. There's also the option, let me pull this back out. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which these are such pretty colors. Again, this reminds me of a color scheme that I've done before, but I can't really put my finger on it. I'm sure you guys will let me know, but it does remind me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. There's also an option if you want to add on the girl boxes. She has a lot of presents in the background, and she is holding like a hot cocoa. I love the girl with the kind of like maroonish hair, like maroonish red, so pretty. And then I'm just dying over their like sparkly pajamas. If there are sparkly pajamas that look like that, definitely let me know. And then there's also an option if you do want to add on the bows. So that is all the releases for this Friday. Again, I tried to keep it a little bit light because we have been having some crazy releases. We are going to be sending out mystery at the end of this week or Monday, and we just got a lot going on in the shop. We're preparing for our advent calendar, which we're so excited to be collabing with Once More With Love for that, and it's just going to be so epic, but it's going to take a lot of prep time because there are a lot of items in those advent calendars, and I want to ship them out as fast as possible. So that is everything for this week's new releases. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. These will go up on Friday at noon Eastern, and then these will go up Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I think that's everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.